Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check who viewed your Instagram highlights even after 48 hours. It's a simple process, so let's get started. Unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon, located in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your Instagram profile page. Look for the highlights section under your profile bio. Tap on the highlight you want to check. Once the highlight opens, swipe up on the screen or tap on the activity icon at the bottom. You'll see a list of people who have viewed that particular highlight. Instagram only shows the viewers for the first 48 hours after a story is posted. After that, you won't be able to see the names of viewers directly. However, you can still view the total number of people who viewed the highlight. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.